So, guys, I'm really sorry that this studying may be a little bit confusing for you, and you may feel like I'm getting hit with all of these videos, then practice tests, then official practice tests, and then we're getting offered courses, and you're just like, I don't even know where to start. So I made this video just as a little breakdown, a little summarization of what you can do in order to prepare you for your test. And then also let you know about some of the resources that I've created. That way you can just make wise decisions as you're studying because most of you have a limited amount of time to study. So this is what I would recommend. Go to the official accuplacer website and look for the TSI practice test. So the test looks like this. This is the cover of it. It is a blue test and it says the TSI mathematics portion. I'll leave the link in this description so that you can just easily click on it and find it. That is a free resource provided by Accuplacer, and you can download it and you can use it to study from. So, what you can do is you can go through some of the questions, test yourself, see how it's going. But if you find that some of the questions are easy, but some of them are difficult, then just go ahead and watch some free YouTube videos of people breaking down those questions and answering them. So if you go to my channel, I have a lot of videos now using the updated practice tests and just walking you through how to solve each one of the problems. They're free on my channel, and I'll also just leave links below as well. So just go through the videos and see how it feels. Now, after you watch some of the videos, you may feel two different ways. One, you may feel like, oh, this is not so bad. I just want to be able to test to see if I can do it again. Because what happens is after watching a few videos and after using the practice tests, you start knowing what the answers are. And I see that with my students that I tutor all the time. They're like, oh, yeah, Miss Amber, the answer is B. I saw your video, which is wonderful. But at the same time, you don't really know whether or not you know that answer because you're getting better at the questions or if you just remember it. So that's when I would recommend using one of my smaller practice tests. You understand it mostly, but you would just like the opportunity to practice some more questions that are similar, but ones that are not exactly the same so that you can test to see how you're doing. And that's why I have my 34 question TSI practice test. That test is great because it gives you an answer key, it gives you questions, and then you're able to check at the end of the test to see how well you've done. The only thing about my 34 question practice test is that the answer key is written just like you would find on the official accuplacer practice test. So some people just need that to confirm that they're on the right track and they're happy with it. But some students are like, no, Miss Amber, I need more than that. I love your tutorials on YouTube, but I am lost the majority of the time. And I just know that I need a little bit more help. And that's where my course comes in. So my course doesn't have 34 questions, it has 80 questions. So I've created an 80 question practice test that reflect similar questions to the official practice test that you find for free online. So I've made 80 questions for you to go over the same type of problem again, 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 and again. So for every one question you'll find on the official practice test, I've created 4 problems that are similar to that one. That way you can see how it's solved and then practice again, again, and again. Also, in addition to the 80 question practice test, part of my course is videos. So I've recorded 21 different videos. It encompasses at least 4.5 hours of tutorials, of video tutorials. And what I do in each one of the videos is I go over 4 questions at a time because there's 4 questions that are similar at a time. And I literally show you how to solve every single question on the practice test that I created. The benefit of this type of study is that you're not just doing the question once and then moving forward and not remembering how to do it again. It's you're able to do the same type of problem again and again and again and again. It's a proven method of study. That's what I do with my students who tutor with me one-on-one. But now the benefit of having it in a course is that you can watch those videos as many times as you need. You'll always have access to them. So make use of the official practice test online. You can also use my 34 question practice test, or you can make use of my brand new video course, which a lot of you have, and I'm super proud of everyone that have been using it, loving it, and passing their test. As always, happy studying.